Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix when the Microsoft Store is not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. And so for that we will begin with the WS reset. So please go to this Windows search tab here, and then we need to type WS reset. So this is the reset tool for your Microsoft Store, and once you click on that, it will automatically reset the cache and the registries in your Microsoft Store. And then once you're done with this one, and once you see that your Microsoft Store is already open, then just close this window. And if it's still not open after doing the WS reset, then we will proceed with the resetting of the Microsoft Store. So please go open your settings. Please make a right click on this Windows icon here, and then select the settings option. Now once you're in here, all you need to do is just to select the apps here in the left pane. You will see the apps option here, and then click on that, and then proceed with the installed apps. Now once you click on this one, all you need to do is just to look for the Microsoft Store option. So if you want to look for that, please go directly to the M section. And once you have found the Microsoft Store, so since I don't have that option here, I'll just be using this Microsoft Teams option to show to you on how you will do it in the Microsoft Store option. So please make a click on this three-dot icon. So in the Microsoft Store option again, please see the three-dot icon in the right section of it, and then click on the advanced options. Once you click on that, you will get this window just like this one, and then proceed with the reset section, and then you will get there the repair and reset option. So please proceed first with the repair option. So if the app is not working right, then we can try to repair it, and the app's data won't be affected. So once you click on this repair button, after repairing it, just please make a quick restart with the device. See if the problem is already fixed after the restart. If it's still not fixed, go back to this window and then proceed with the reset. So the app's data will be deleted. After the reset, just make a quick restart again, and then see now if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we will proceed with the next one, which is the changing the language and region. So please go again with the Windows search tab. Here we need to type region settings. Under best match, you will get this region settings option. Please make a click on that to open, and then here all we need to do is just to select the preferred language. But before that, we need to go first with this region section. You can select the country or region that you are with, or that you are located. So please just click this drop down button here. Please select the corresponding country or region that you're in, and then once you have done that, please proceed with the regional format, and please select again this drop down button, and then all you need to do is just to click on this recommended one, or you can also choose from these options here below. Once you have done that, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device. And if you want to make changes also with the preferred languages, all you need to do is just to click this add a language, or if you have the language already here in this option, then just click on this three-dot icon and then click on the language options, and then you can just set this to or you can just install the language feature, and then you can now set this one into the preferred language. Once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with the device for the changes to be applied. And after doing that, if the problem is still not fixed, then we will proceed with the PowerShell. So please go with your Windows search tab again there, type PowerShell. Under Windows or under best match, you will get the Windows PowerShell option. So please make a click on that. I'm sorry, it should be run as administrator. So we will do that again. Here in the right section, please click on run as administrator, and then just click on yes to proceed. Here, all you need to do is just to copy. There will be a command in the description box below, so please copy it and then paste it in here. So let me just copy this one and then paste it in this window, and then once pasted, just please click on enter. Wait for it to be done, and once the loading process is done, just make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed, and if it's still not fixed, then we will proceed with the last option. So just close all these windows here. All you need to do is just to go again with this Windows search tab. Here we need to type troubleshoot, and then you will get under best match to troubleshoot settings. Once you click on that, you will get now the other troubleshooters option. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to look for the Windows Store apps. So please look for Windows Store apps here in the most frequent section or other section. Once you have found it, please click on the Run button so that it will start diagnosing the problem, it will detect the problem, and it will automatically troubleshoot the problem, and it will fix it for you. So since I don't have the Windows Store apps option here, just do it in your device if you see it, and then click on Run button, and as I have said, it will automatically troubleshoot the problem for you. Once you're done with this one, and once you're done with the troubleshooting process, just make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed after the restart, and once it is fixed, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.